Sagittarius, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong energy update for October 1 to 15, 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Paalala lang, reading na to ay general reading, so maaari kayo makarelate, maaari hindi. Just take what resonates. Okay, so let's see, Sag, what's the energy for you October 1 to 15? Sagittarius. Wisdom, knowledge. So mas kayo ngayon, matalino. Marami kayong alam, marami kayong na-gain na kaalaman. Some of you are studying, no? Yung iba sa inyo, mas mature kayong mag-isip. You really crave for knowledge and wisdom. Maaring iba, nagkakaroon ng spiritual awakening and you're realizing your life's purpose. Yung iba sa inyo, your life's purpose is to help others through your knowledge, no? Meron ka mga kakayanan, abilidad, kaalaman na makakatulong sa iba. Some of you are guided by your ancestors or maaring meron kang malalaman tungkol sa past mo. Like yung family ninyo, about your ancestors, then you will realize na kaya pala ganito yung interest ko kasi yung ancestors ko ay ganun din yung interest. So, meron ditong may ipapasa sa inyo na knowledge or napaka-importanteng kaalaman na makakatulong sa inyo sa pagpapaunlad ninyo at para yung kumbaga yung legacy, no, na iniwan sa inyo ng ancestors nyo. Home is where your heart is. I feel like you will spend some time sa bahay. Yung iba, maaaring magsisimula kayo ng work from home or can be a business na sisimula ninyo. Some of you may pagbabalik. Babalik kayo sa hometown ninyo para may alamin or explore. Or meron kayong aasikasuhing importanteng ari-arian, gamit. You have the Queen of Swords, the Sun, Knight of Wands, Page of Wands. Exploration ang energy ninyo, Sagittarius. Going on an adventure. So, meron kang adventurous na gagawin ngayong first half ng October that will lead to financial stability and financial freedom. So, kumbaga, ito ay pinag-isipan mo na maigi. Tapos, ngayon, you realize na, kaya pala, kailangan ko na pala tong gawin. Kasi handa ka na. This can be a project mo para sa sarili mo, for your personal development, or personal project kasi gusto mong ma-achieve yung goals mo for your career, for your business. And also, meron kang gustong iwanang legacy na yung tipong maipapasa mo sa mga anak mo, sa mga susunod na generation. And I feel like ito yung ini-establish mo ngayon to be financially stable. Para mas maging maganda yung buhay ng future ninyo. Like future ng family nyo, ng business nyo. I also see a lot of travel opportunities dahil sa work. So, kumbaga, itong travel na to, hindi lang, most of the travels, no, hindi para magpahinga or magbakasyon. This is about job-related opportunities na kailangan mo mag-travel, pumunta sa iba't ibang lugar. I also see na you will enjoy this, no? You will have a lot of fun dito sa i-explore mo. Money, career, finances, o diba? You have the Empress. You are blessed with creative ideas and talents. This is also abundance. So, pagdating sa career, sa business, sa trabaho mo, ikaw ay abundant. Marami kang kayang gawin. Maraming resources that you can use. You have the tools that you need. Meron kang sisimulan. It's a new job, a new career, a new business, investment na papasukin mo that will bring abundance sa buhay mo. Yung ba sa inyo, first time nyo itong gagawin? And kahit na first time nyo itong gagawin, naniniwala kayo sa kakayanan nyo. At alam mo yung may feeling ka talaga na sa success, ganun. That's the energy for you, Sag. You're taking a risk and at the same time, alam mo na worth it yung risk na yon. Sa love life naman, some of you pwedeng merong marriage, no? May ikakasal o kaya you are planning to get married. Or some of you naman merong kayong kung may asawa na kayo, meron kayong papasuking project ng inyong asawa or even a family member related sa business or can be a source of income. Or pareho kayong may pinag-aaralan nyo paano mas maging maunlad as partners. And also sa relationship, hindi lang sa romantic connection yan. This can also apply sa inyong family. I see rin. Meron din ditong mag-aasikaso ng inheritance. Mana. Pwedeng pera or gamit or ari-arian. Merong recognition, may achievements. Meron ditong ayaw makialam sa issue or problema sa family. Or yung bang ayaw nyo kasi ng drama. Parang ganun. May mga pwede kasing meron sa family ninyo na sila mismo yung gumagawa ng problema. Tapos parang ginagawa nyo, iniiwasan nyo na lang. Hindi nyo na pinapatulan kasi kapag pinatulan nyo pa, baka lalong lumala yung problema. Pero meron talaga dyan na mangungulit, manggugulo. Pero hindi nyo siya papatulan. Parang bahala ka sa buhay mo. Mag-inerte ka, magdrama ka dyan. Parang ganun. Yeah, you have the creative force, commitment. Wow. You're very powerful, Sagittarius. Marami kang kayang ma-achieve. And if ikaw ay talagang naniniwala sa kakayanan mo, marami ka pang matutuklasan sa sarili mo na hindi mo akalain ay kaya mo palang gawin. Surrender. Let go of limiting beliefs. Be as expansive in your thoughts as your soul is. See, may mga, sometimes, no, inisip natin, kaya ko kaya yun. Magiging successful kaya yun. Kasi minsan may self-doubt, no? So, let go of that. I-let go mo yung limiting beliefs na yun. At isipin mo na, you are expanding, you are evolving, you are changing, you are improving. And yun yung mamamanifest mo. Kasi yun yung iniisip mo, diba? Your mind is very powerful. Oh, 'di ba? Trust yourself, trust your instinct. approach the situation with a light heart. Yung mga deer, 'di ba, malakas yung kanilang pakiramdam. Yan. So mas magiging yung aware ka sa paligid mo. Tapos magtitiwala ka sa instinct mo, nararamdaman mo. If you feel like something is not good for you, then hindi ka dun pupunta. If something is good for you, then yun yung ipupurso mo. So that is your reading, Sagittarius. Thank you so much. See you again.